Hi there everyone and welcome to Tech Ravers. In today's video we're gonna take a look at a third-party controller for your Nintendo Switch, PC or Steam Deck. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive pro, finding the right controller is crucial for an optimal gaming experience. And the best part about this one, I'm gonna show you one of the cheapest options that's guaranteed to get the job done. So sit back and I'll jump straight into it. ESM-9124 Nintendo Switch and PC wireless controller from EasySMX is the controller we're talking about today. This affordable option is priced at just around $30 and it's one of the most budget-friendly alternatives to the Nintendo Pro controller. Although it's not compatible with PS5 or Xbox, it works seamlessly with Nintendo Switch, PC, Android and iOS devices. Moreover, the ESM-9124 controller is also a great choice for the Steam Deck, which will significantly improve your Nintendo Switch emulation experience. The packaging for these controllers are quite simple. There is a picture of the different designs on the cover, and for this video I got two of them to show you, the black and the white one. Inside, the controller sits in this cheap shock-absorbing plastic, and underneath it you get a charging cable and a manual. Unfortunately, the charging cable is short and you will have to sit close to your device if you want to charge and play at the same time. The 600 mAh battery will take you through around 8 hours of gaming though, when fully charged, so it might not be an issue for you. And when it comes to ergonomic and button layout, the ESM-9124 feels great in the hand. The front of the controllers are coated in really smooth plastic and it actually feels pretty premium in the quality, even though you obviously didn't pay a premium price. In contrast to the smooth plastic on the front, the back of the controllers have this quite grippy texture to the back of each grips. As you can see here, the controller also sports customizable back buttons. Actually there's 4 of them and they will be awesome in some situations, not the least for emulation. The thumbsticks also have that grippy texture around them and they feel very sturdy. Your thumbs won't slip around when gaming, even in competitive mode. The controller's action buttons are backlit, providing a fun and visually appealing touch to your gaming setup. You have the option to switch between different light modes or turn the backlight completely off to conserve battery life. The action buttons are satisfying to press and provide a good feel, although they are slightly smaller in size compared to the official Nintendo Pro controller. This is also the case with the thumbsticks. The ESM-9124 controller to the right here also has analog triggers, which in my opinion are much better than the digital triggers on the official Pro controller to the left. Before we jump into some system testing, I just want to show you the other color variant that I got here, the black one, and I hope that you can tell from the footage here how sleek this controller looks. It definitely doesn't look cheap at all. If anything, it looks just as good as a regular Xbox controller or the official Nintendo Pro controller. To pair your controller with your Nintendo Switch, all you have to do is to press and hold X plus the home button at the same time. After that, you can head into your Switch controller settings, and all you have to do is to press your L and R triggers at the same time and your controller will show up automatically. So for Nintendo Switch, this will just work straight out of the box, including the vibration. The vibration is pretty strong however, but just as with the backlight, you can swap between different modes of vibration or completely turn it off should you want that. In Mario Kart 8, I can't really feel any noticeable latency. However, since it's running over Bluetooth, you probably don't want to join a Smash Brothers tournament or any other type of competitive game, as I'm a bit afraid that some of the latency would make it hard to play at that competitive level. And here's just a quick test pairing dual ESM-9124 controllers and an official Pro controller from Nintendo. And as you can see, it works without any issues at all. And yes, in case you were wondering, you can turn on your sleeping Nintendo Switch with a simple press on the home button once you have paired your controller once. And to pair your controller with any other Bluetooth compatible device, such as the Steam Deck here, all you have to do is that you hold B plus the home button and then wait for your controller named Gamepad to show up in the Steam Deck's Bluetooth devices. And this is optional, but on my Steam Deck I also like to enable Nintendo button layout under controller settings when using a controller with Nintendo layout for obvious reasons. If you don't want to use that, however, it will of course work anyway, but A, B, X and Y will swap places. And the controller also works flawlessly for emulations such as Breath of the Wild here. It's really neat with the addition of the back buttons, as I can map my screen swapping button when I'm playing 3DS or Wii U, for example. And that's it for my review of the ESM-9124 Nintendo Switch and PC controller from EasySMX. With its affordable price point and the versatile compatibility with multiple devices, this controller is a fantastic budget-friendly option for all types of games. Whether you're looking to play on your Nintendo Switch, PC or Steam Deck, the ESM-9124 delivers in terms of functionality and ergonomics. So if you're in the market for a new controller and you don't want to break the bank, be sure to give this controller a try. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy gaming everyone!